Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Renu and you are watching Speak and Thrive. Today in the video, I'm going to talk about something really important and that is going to helpful for you. Especially if you are English learner, you are learning English language and you are on your initial stage. If you are a beginner, then this video is completely for you. Do not miss this video. Watch till the very end and I'm damn sure that it is going to be really interesting and helpful for you. So if you are watching me first time, make sure to subscribe this channel for such amazing videos in the future. And if you like this video, please let me know in the comment section and give this video a thumbs up. Now without any delay, let's start this video. So guys, I'm going to tell you my experience with the tool and as English learner how you can use this tool in your journey to improve your speaking English communication skills. So the first point is it is really amazing and accessible. You can access it everywhere and anywhere. 24/7 it is available, right? That rarely some teachers coachings are available like this. It is a tool that you can access anywhere, everywhere, and whenever. There is no time limit. 24/7 it is available. First point. So you can learn as per your convenient time. And the second point I want to highlight is that you do not need a partner. You do not need a person. You can have amazing, regular, and some common conversation with this AI, with ChatGPT. You get the option to have a conversation, to just have role play session, role play discussion with the help of ChatGPT, by which you can improve your English. So you can also utilize when you are practicing as role play. Moving to the next point is that it will instantly correct your grammar. If you are making mistake while speaking, while typing something, your responses while speaking or writing, it will instantly give you correct response. It will highlight where you are making mistake. And you know very well that when you get instant reply, you're more likely to remember that for longer, right? So it gives you instant reply regarding your mistakes that you are making, and then right away you can correct them and you can make sure not to repeat them in future. The next point is that like people, it will not judge you, so you can speak without fear, without hesitation. You can speak as much as you want to speak with ChatGPT. Nobody is going to judge you there because that is itself AI, right? Not human. So there is no one who can judge you. You can speak English without hesitation, without any fear of judgment or making mistake. It will help you with your grammar. If your grammar is really weak in speaking English, you struggle while making sentences, you struggle what to use, what is the appropriate word to explain your ideas, then it will help you so much. The main thing is that you need to give correct command to the ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is one of the best teacher. It helps you with your speaking part. It helps you as English speaking partner. It helps you with your grammar. It becomes your grammar coach and there is no judgment at all. It helps you with your speaking part and of course it encourages you to speak more and speak better, and not at all it gives you any negative feedback, right? So your command, your question, whatever you are asking, or whatever you asking to deliver must be really clear that everyone can understand. You must clear with your question and it will give you satisfying result. So guys, I hope you like this video and you find this video really helpful. If you're watching me first time on my channel, please do subscribe. And if you like this video, please let me know in the comment section and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Let's meet you in the next videos.